I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Koko Glow. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, hello, stay, you're gonna love it, and just enjoy. So I told y'all in the last previous video that I am trying to get back on track with things. So today is my day where I will be going out to take a photo. So I'm just trying to get back on float with all my social medias, and I just love taking pictures and just looking cute. I do it for myself because I know a lot of people say, oh, you're just an attention seeker. I ain't got time for that. This is how I've been. I love taking pictures. I love looking nice. Before social media even blew up to be what it is now, that was just me. So today I will be getting myself prepared and taking a picture today. I did look up a couple of locations, but I'm still not sure where I want to go yet. I did order some stuff off of Amazon, so one outfit in particular I do want to wear. I didn't try it on yet. We're gonna try it on together and see how everything flows. So I'm not gonna do my hair over, I'm just gonna straighten it out. I got it right now in a clip, so I'm gonna take the clip down, I'm gonna straighten it out, do what I gotta do, put my contacts on, you know, do the whole shebang. But I am going to get my nails done, but I'm not sure if the person wants me to record. So if I don't, you know, after I take my shower, everything, I will show y'all the aftermath. Yeah. So what I'm going to be using in the shower is my famous. This is what I will be using in my shower, and then I'm just going to go in with some other products that I have, the feminine products that I use. I use, hold on, let me see if it's in here. Oh, my honey pot. So I like to use 3 things in the shower. So of course I use my honey pot right here. I'm running out of this. I think I have another one. I have so much stuff. Like, I be going to Target and I just rack up, and then when I get home, sometimes I don't even make a list. I already have it. I just stored it somewhere else and I forgot. So yeah. And then I also like using this. This smells so freaking good. This is also in Target. So everything that I got is in Target because you know that they got Ulta in Target right now. So I can just easily do that. Comment down below if you want to see the products, all the products that I use, because I could definitely do a vlog on that. I'm gonna just do it anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna take my shower. I do have to near. I normally would get a wax, but I didn't go, so I'm going to near and get everything, you know, situated, looking glossy. So let me go right now, take my shower. I'm in the bathroom already, so that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go and get these nails done. So now I'm gonna do my skincare routine. I'm gonna go in with my Dow soap right now for my skin, and then I have my vitamin C drops right here. And you can get any, but I wouldn't say any, but for me that vitamin C has been working for me. So I'm gonna just go in with this Dow, and then I'm going to do a little makeup. Oh, I have to find my moisturizer. That's what I'm missing. But yeah, so let's get into it. Also too, I'm going to use my face scrubber. I got this from off of Amazon. I will leave a link to everything that I will be showing y'all where I got it from down below in the description. So yes, so this is a scrubber for your face, like if you're doing Like you want to get in them pores and all that other stuff, making sure, you know, you really cleanse your face good. But I always use that. It's very affordable. So we're gonna get into it real quick.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none, bye bye, run baby bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play. Yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah. You playing with my heart, you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me.
So I am done with my little skincare routine. So I just noticed something. I got all this nail products and stuff in my house. Why not pop them on? So these are all white, and it's by Prep Soft Gel Tips, modeling or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a soak off and it's a full coverage. So we're going to use these right now, and I'm saving the coin right now because what I really want, the lady just called me. She told me she's not there, so I'm kind of pissed off right now. But we're gonna do what it do. I have my UV light, I have the gel for this, I have everything, so why not? Let's try it out. Like, I'm gonna do everything just to make sure that I'm gonna look like what in this picture, okay? Because I am stepping back out and I want to feel good. So I know that I'm not going to fail myself. So I will do this for now, but I'm still going to go get my nails done. But yes, we gotta get in motion. We gotta get back in motion, okay? So y'all, I am done with my makeup. I did it off camera because my son kept he needed my help for something. So this is, I just did a light beat. I didn't do nothing crazy to my face. I think I'm gonna put another lip gloss on because I'm not feeling this. It looks natural. I like it, but I need it to pop in this picture, okay? This is bitch I'm back picture, okay? So yeah, this is how my face look. I did a light beat like I said. I used the James Charles, it's by Morphe, the collab. I used that for my eyeshadow and everything. Then I used the Juvia's for like highlighting and everything. The lashes, I will link it down inside my Amazon cart, so y'all better go check it out. I got a few things that I am going to be bringing with me, and one of them is my light. Let me get it used when I take pictures. And y'all see how bright it is. I don't want to put it to the thing, but it's nighttime and it's gonna look so nice. I'm wearing all black, so let me go get my outfit so I can show y'all. And this outfit is from Amazon, y'all. This is so cute. It's so cute. This is definitely I'm back outfit, and it's sexy. It's giving. So y'all, I am back. I had to go in the living room because I forgot where I placed it at. But y'all, this is the outfit that I will be wearing. So so cute. So it looks like nothing, right? But baby, when I put this on, definitely nice. So this is basically like a short set one piece, and I think that it's like a dupe of, what is that? I forgot the name of the outfits that come like this, but I'm gonna link it anyway. But so freaking cute. Like, look at the little hearts like right there in the middle. But I'm gonna wear this with my ASOs, my black heels right here. I'll be wearing these shoes like everywhere because they're so freaking comfortable. But yes, I got this from Amazon, y'all. I'm gonna link everything. Y'all better go check this out because when I put this on, y'all gonna be like, yeah, I need to get this. But yes, this is, I'm back. Summertime is here, and I'm a mommy, but I'm a still baddie. Okay, so that's exactly what this is. And I'm about to get dressed right now. I'm gonna wear like a little black pocketbook with it, or maybe a silver pocketbook because of the hearts. And you know, I'm gonna do it up. I'm gonna do it up. So let me get ready. So y'all, this is the outfit. I'm gonna give y'all a better look once I take the pictures. But look at this outfit, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me that this outfit is not fire. Like, it's so sexy cute. But yep, we about to go out right now. This is how it looks. I don't have my shoes on yet. I still have my hair pinned, but this is how it look. Amazon, you did your big one. Definitely did. See? You press that again. It's on. So y'all, I am done. I did my photo shoot. It came out so good. So I'm definitely gonna put this video up. I feel good to be back and doing stuff that I love to do. I'm just grateful that I'm still motivated and I still have that drive in me to do content creation. So now, to do content creation, I feel, you know, good, really good, because I know I'm still that girl. So I just wanted to give some positive energy to anybody that's struggling with not knowing what to do. Just do it. Just do it. Get out of your funk. Do what you gotta do. But this is what you want. We only got one life to live, so live it up, enjoy it, be grateful, learn from whatever lessons you have to learn from so you can reach a new level of blessings that's going to come to you, and just learn, period. Like, that's all I want to say right now, because I just feel so good. It's just so much stuff that's just checking off. And also too, I just feel, you know, I'm just in a great spirit. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and make sure y'all go to my Instagram, because this will be posted on my Instagram, the pictures and the reels. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. Also check out my Amazon cart, because baby, I got everything there that I wore and then some. So check that out. Make sure you mention my name when you check out. Y'all, I would not tell y'all no wrong, but everything that I got in my cart, love it down, love it down. So I'm gonna see y'all next time, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and